Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Claude, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Claude, visit the official website or platform where Claude is available. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in using your credentials to access the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and available features. Locate the input area where you can enter your queries or prompts. Type your question or request clearly and concisely. Click on the Submit button to send your input for processing. Wait for Claude to generate a response. Review the answer provided by Claude. If needed, ask follow-up questions for clarification or additional information. Adjust your input if the response isn't what you expected. Take note of the formatting options for more structured responses. Utilize the settings menu to customize your experience, if applicable. Experiment with different types of prompts to see how Claude responds. Use the feedback option to report any inaccuracies or issues. Keep exploring various features to enhance your understanding of Claude. Practice regularly to become more proficient in using the tool. Refer to the help section for any troubleshooting or guidance needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.